Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order food in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page, and then click on the order food button. So first you have to select an arrival window, so you have to set the place and the time that you want to order food for. For example, you can have a Galactic Grill at 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and just click on the button to confirm it, and then click on the continue button. And as you can see, you can select what type of food or beverages you want to have. So for example, if you're onto some desserts, then just click on that. And as you can see, there are 3 desserts available, so just click on the one that you want to have, and then just choose a quantity, and then click on the add button. And at the bottom of the page, click on the view my order in case it's the only product that you want to purchase. And then just click on the review order summary. And as you can see, you can add a promo code if you have, or a discount code, unless you can just check out using Apple Pay, or you can use a different payment method with different cards. And after that you just have to pay for it, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.